Hi folks, welcome to another Chief Steamer video. In this video, we want to talk about our new floor mop. Now, the floor mop is just going to be a flat item that has no bristles on it. It's very lightweight and it's designed to do smooth floors. Whether it's hardwood, linoleum, smooth tile, we thought this would be a better option than the floor brush that we currently include with the kit. Now, this is not included with the kit. This is a separate item that you would have to pay for. But if you have large hardwood floors in your house, large tiled areas that are smooth, you might not need the bristles and you might want it to cover a little larger surface area. So width-wise, we're about 4¼ inches. Length, we're about 15. The regular rectangular floor brush that you get with the kit is about 11 inches. It's 4 by 11. So this is going to be a little bit bigger. Now, this does swivel. It swivels back and forth, but the cool way of this going together is it's going to go together with accessories that are already included with your steamer. So with what you're paying for the floor mop setup, you're paying for the actual floor mop accessory and 3 microfiber pads, which come as the kit. And these microfibers are certainly washable, or you could buy more if you need them in another 3-pack. So to set this up, it's very simple. You're going to use the elbow piece that you get with the steamer package. So the elbow piece, which this would generally be used with your triangle brush or your rectangular floor brush, it's also going to be used with the floor mop. So to set it up, if you notice on either your triangle brush or your rectangular floor brush, we have a tab here that has 3 different positions. There's a 1, 2, and a 3. The 1 is up, the 2 the middle, which is a lock, and then the 3 at the bottom allows you to swivel it. So to set this up, we're going to put it in position 1. We're going to take our elbow piece, and the little notch on our elbow is going to go in at a right angle to the floor mop. We're going to rotate it up, and then we're going to lock it in place in the middle, so it can't go anywhere. So now that allows us, if we want it to swivel, we put it in our swivel position, so it allows us to swivel it not only this way, but also this way, giving you basically a 360. To use this standing up, you're simply going to use it with your extender wands that come with the kit. So you're already getting the elbow and you're getting these extender wands with the kit. So the only thing you have to buy is the floor mop, and that's why we think it's a pretty attractive price. So to get this going, you just set it up as if you were putting it into your gun. If you want 2 of them, you're going to use it this way. You lock the 2 extenders in place, and then this would go into your gun, and then this would be ready to use on the floor. And then these are simply Velcro. So we're just going to Velcro our pad onto the bottom of our steam mop, and we're ready to simply do our floor with whatever steamer you have. This is going to work with all of our machines. It's going to work with the 75 machine, the 100 machine, and the 125 machine, and we would suggest you using low pressure, not very high pressure, because you don't want to make a wet mess. In our next video, we'll actually do the floor. Stay tuned.